asked Tongas to this very meeting spot, much to his confusion. "You wanted to talk to me, sir?" Tongas asked as he pulled up to the station. "Now, Tongas, this isn't easy for me to tell you, but times are changing. It's hardly efficient to keep aged, broken-down locomotives like yourself from the previous century maintained." Tongas appeared distraught. "Have I not been doing a good job, sir?" he asked. The obese controller pondered for a moment before answering. "You know what, Tongas? It's fine. Forget I said anything. We've been preparing a special surprise for you for being such a splendid worker." "Really? Oh, what a wonder-tastic day!" Tongas exclaimed with glee. Tongas followed the obese controller to where his special surprise had been prepared. "Sir, I hate to pry, but this looks more like a giant mass of ravenous living tissue than a special surprise!" Tongas screamed as his front wheels were dangled over the edge of the flesh pit. "Your surprise is early retirement and subsequent absorption into the glorious mass. You'll be happier this way. I think we all will," spoke Topham calmly. Tongas was pushed all the way over the edge and